The diagram shows three identical circles inside a rectangle. Each circle touches the other two circles and the sides of the rectangle. As shown in the diagram, the radius of each circle is 9 cm. Work out the area of the rectangle. So what I would do first is, if this side was the length and this is the width, then we can work out the width quite easily. All we have to do is draw the radiuses. So if we join the centers, so my diagrams are not perfect, but if we were to join the centers and then from the center to the edge, and then you see that would be 9 because the radius is 9, 9, 9 and 9. So we can write the width would be 9 times 4, that is 36 centimeter. So now we have to work out the length, and to work out the length, you see there is one little difficulty, and that is we know this, the diameter. If we had to draw the diameters, we wouldn't still be able to work out what the length is, because it doesn't quite it doesn't quite align, if I may say so. So there's a region of overlap region which we have to work out. So what we do is, we have this point where the circles touch. So suppose this point where the circles are touching, if I were to call this as P, point P, and the center of the third circle, if I call it as Q and R, and let me name the center as S as well. So if I were to join PQ and QR, and so I'd have right angle triangle PQR. So I say join PQ, QR, and PR. PQR, triangle PQR is right angled, and that's because the radius is perpendicular to the tangent, because PQ is tangent to the circles, and PR is a radius, and therefore angle RQB, RPQ would be 90 degrees. So then we need to find PQ, and once we find PQ, we will know what the length is, because we would extend P, the line QP, to the edge of the rectangle, and then the line both ways. If we do that, then we will have this as 9, so, and 9. So it's the PQ we will need to work out, and PQ would be square root of, so we have 9, and you see this is also 9, so the hypotenuse would be 18, so we'd have 18 square minus 9 square, so that would be square root 9 square that is, I get 15.59 centimeters, and that's PQ, so I'll have to add 9 and 9, so therefore the length would be 9 plus 9 plus 15.59, and that is so that will give me 33. So we have to give the answer to one decimal place, I know that, but this is not the final answer. So it's 33.59 centimeters. So I have the length. So now I have to work out the area and the width I have got. So the area would be 33 point. So that is 1209.24, or we can write it as 1209 centimeters square. So that's what is the answer. So thank you so much for viewing, thank you for your time, and please subscribe to Hypatia Math at 147. Thank you.